Testing of Fuji Differential pressure transmitter. The transmitter has been set to a calibration range of input signal from 13.08 to 8.28 kilopascals. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply, some pressurized air's input signal, and a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output. By manipulating the input signal, we see that the unit reacts accordingly, and at 0.13 bar, the output is 4 milliamp, and at 0.08 bar, the output is 20 milliamp. It is now clear that the differential pressure transmitter is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.